What's up, everybody? Wanted to go over with you some quick chat GPT prompts. So I'm here logged into my OpenAI account and want to just play around with some different prompts and see what we get. So with that being said, so I just told it to, as you can read, write a 500-word article explaining the benefits of drinking green tea. I'm going to let it write out its stuff, and then we're going to then work with it to further manipulate and expand on this content to get it to be exactly what we want it to be and want it to say. So, very incredible tool, obviously. Um, yeah, definitely something very, very powerful. It's being implemented into more and more things. Okay, now I'm going to put modify this content to make it SEO optimized with the target keyword being, just as an example, if there is a company out there named Mike's Green Tea, don't sue me. I didn't even know you existed. I'm just doing this as an example. So, actually, Target Green Tea. Well, okay, no, let me do this. With the company name being Mike's Green Tea, and the target keyword phrase being obviously I haven't done any keyword research into this, so I'm just doing this for the sake of example. So, all right. So I asked it to modify the content around this being posted for a company named Mike's Green Tea, and the target keyword phrase being best healthy green tea. Let's see. Just to angle this camera down a little bit. It's like, there we go. It's getting the top of my head only. All right. So, all right. Now, as you can see, this is already a pretty well put together article just on basic information and then implementing the target keyword and the company name. What I can then do is say, give this content a tone of a 25 through 30-year-old American. You can even get more detailed and put it as far as like it can get kind of funny actually too. I was debating to, but we'll try that next. I put 25-year-old, 25 to 30-year-old American person, but you can put, like, for example, I'm from Miami, so I put some content in, and then I said give it a tone of somebody from Miami, and it was ridiculous. What it spit out. Hey, bro, you gotta try this. Listen to what I'm saying. YOLO or something, like something stupid. It didn't say YOLO, but it definitely said bro. I remember that clearly. I was like cracking up with that. Okay. All right. So let's see what the difference is. Just reading the first lines. Green tea, especially Mike's green tea, has been synonymous with wellness and healthy living as the best healthy green tea source from quality Camellia sinensis plants. Mike's green tea offers a unique blend of taste and health benefits. In this article, we'll explore why Mike's green tea has earned a reputation for being the best healthy green tea and the various advantages it brings to your cup. Modifying this now to the tone of a 25 to 30-year-old American person. Hey there, if you're anything like me, you know that green tea is all the rage these days, but not all green teas are created equal. Let me tell you why Mike's green tea has become my go-to and why I think it's hands down the best healthy green tea out there. Also pretty good, more condensed. Um, yeah, definitely. Now, but okay. Give this a tone of a person from, as an example, Texas, just as an example. Y'all need to know about Mike's green tea. Howdy, folks. You see what I mean? It can get pretty funny actually, but yeah, you can work with tonalities. Actually, if you didn't know this, you can work also with grammar levels. Many times I'll be working with stuff, and then I'll say reduce this down to say an 8th or ninth grade grammar level, reading level. They say that really for most text and especially sales copy, online text in general, they say you want to really be, I think they say, in the 8th to 10th grade reading level. You don't want your content to be too, you don't want it to be like a research paper, because essentially it's going to turn a lot of people off, and they're going to not even read it. So, as you can see, just I don't even need to go through it in great detail. You're probably reading as it's going along, but I see a lot of y'alls and a lot of port sitting and stargazing and all that stuff. So last little thing I will do here. I don't want this video to run too long. Already at 7 minutes. I'll do this. Reduce this to a ninth grade reading level, if it wasn't already. Sometimes we all need to kick off our boots if that wasn't already at a ninth grade reading level. No. Let's see. So yeah, no, as you can see, reducing it down to a ninth grade reading level, I'll let it finish just so you can read it as it's going along. You can already see, like, fights off bad stuff, keep sugar in line, make sure. But this, correct me if I'm wrong, this looks like sales copy. This looks like any sales copy that you would be seeing online or in a publication. But you can see the difference. For example, look at the difference. Enhanced, okay, rich in antioxidants. That changed to packed with antioxidants when I said give it a tone of a 25, 30-year-old person, American person. That changed to antioxidants galore when I said Texas. And then when you reduce it down to a ninth grade reading level, it says full of good stuff, antioxidants. So as you can see, there is there is logic to it. I mean, obviously this is an incredible tool, but what I'm saying is knowing how to give it prompts and work with content, and give it some information, let it spit out some content, give it some more information, let it rework that content. There's many things that you can do. So definitely a very powerful tool. I'm sure if you're landed on this video, you're probably already using it, or at least you've heard about it, obviously. But yeah, definitely experiment with that. I would say experiment with giving it a prompt, and then think about other things other than just additional prompts. Think about tonalities you can ask for it to give, adjusting the content to a certain reading level, or perhaps and other ways that you can kind of reframe and repurpose the content to get it to look exactly how you want it to be. So with that, video is now at 10 minutes. I will cut this one off and see you guys next time.